My name's Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a backside kickflip. Backside 180 kickflip, backside flip, however you want to call it. This is a combination of a kickflip and a backside 180. So before you even get started in on this, you have got to have your basics down. I'm going to go through them all so you know what they are really fast. It is ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, pop shove, front shove, kickflip. Of course I missed the kickflip. And kickflip. But really the key fundamentals that you need for this trick are a good backside 180 and a good kickflip, because that's what this is a combination of. Backside 180 and a kickflip. So I'm going to do my best to take you through this so you can learn each step, learn how it works, learn how to master it, and I really want you guys to get this. I think the thing that's most important to a backside 180 is learning how to pivot. Backside 180, backside 180 flip. So I want you to do this practice. Ollie, turn your upper body first, land heavy on your front leg, and then turn. Before you even do that, you're going to practice it like this. Put your front foot on the nose, turn and pivot that way. So you're riding regular like this, front foot on the nose, turn backside, and then pivot off of your nose. So you're just gonna practice that. Do it 5 times. Pivot off the nose, just like that. Now you're getting comfortable with that. Feel the way your weight is shifting. Now you're gonna ollie into that. Ollie, turn, pivot. Very important. You're gonna see why in a little bit. Ollie, turn, pivot. Just like that. And now you can do the 180 where it's like a 90 and then you land and pivot. Maybe that was less than a 90, but you get the idea. 90, turn and pivot. More or less, you got it. So now you're starting to feel that. You got your kickflips down, you're feeling comfortable on them. So now, the way to first start, you know what else I should say? Probably a varial flip will be good for this too. Because what a backside 180 is, it's that varial flip while you're turning your upper body, right? So a good practice to this is to do a 90 flip. You can just practice that. It's gonna be kind of the motion where you're like turning your flick like this while your upper body's going this way. This is the easiest way to do it because as you're turning, your back foot's going this way and your board's gonna turn like that. Your front foot's gonna flick there, which you can kind of follow the motion of the turn like this. Boom. And then it's gonna create the flip. Then you're going to turn it all the way around. So the way to practice that is just do a little step off like that. Put your back foot on the ground, leave your front foot on that board, and just start getting it turning. Even just a 90-degree angle, it's okay. As you start to feel, as you're turning and shifting your upper body, your board will go and you'll see it turning more and more. Whoop, that was bad. And that's part of what can go wrong. Let's give it a rebate. Starting to feel comfortable with that step, starting to feel better about it. So one thing that you might notice is my weight is really shifted this way and my feet are way back. I could never land in that situation because my weight would be too far off. But when I start to put my feet on, I'll flip it underneath me and my upper body's gonna be leaning further back that way. It's always very important to understand where your weight distribution is. So I'm gonna try and land 90 and stop. So just like that. So now you got the practice step where you're stepping off and the practice step with both feet. If you get that far, you're really close. Especially if you did that first step that I gave you with the pivots. Funny, it's kind of hard for me to do a 90 and not just do the whole thing. Yeah, it's funny. So now I'm stepping off with my front foot, which could help. Another little practice step. Okay, let's run it back. Less than a 90, but you're getting the idea. So now, let me get a good one for you guys. Show you what it should look like. Good, and actually that's totally fine. Doesn't matter, your feet are off. Doesn't really matter, it's a practice step. There we go, you got the 90. Now, you're gonna land in that position. You're gonna land just like that. Your weight's gonna be on your front foot, and you're gonna go like this. I'm just gonna give it that little skirt at the end. It's gonna carry forward the 180 and make you land. There, closer. See, I'm getting there. Okay, see, that was not the full 180 in the air. Wasn't quite a clean, like, skirt as much as I would like, but it was a backside flip. Not the best, not the prettiest. Okay, I know you're putting all the pieces together, getting there. That was a little better. Landing on the pivot, landing on the front foot, understanding where it's coming around. You can really see where it's a combination of like that, and then I'll do the flip. This is why you have to be so comfortable with that kick flip. It needs to be like right in there where you can do it with no thought. I'll try and do one that's full pivot. That was not it, but you get the idea where I'm going with that, yeah? There we go. You can see if I turn more in the air, it's easier actually. I keep trying to put my foot down and I'm putting it too early. This is where timing is key. And instead of going later and landing there, I'm going early and landing there. Whee! Okay, like that was like total pivot, right? So now we want a combination between total pivot and 180 in the air. Wow, it's a good step of what can go wrong. It's all about that timing. A little bit later, I'll land on top. Too early, total miss. Woo! It's funny, my backside flips are often like that. Need to work on them to get better. Little improvements every day. Another thing that I want to point out that's super important to not only skating but all of life, doesn't matter how many times you fail, keep going. Every failure is an opportunity to learn something new, keep pushing forward, and just take it as like, oh, that's how that went, and then make a micro adjustment to help to spin it better, to flip it better, to land it better the next time. Okay, so right now, I'm like hyper focused on my front foot and where it's going. So now I'm just gonna concentrate on the 180. I'm gonna concentrate on doing the flip in the air, catching it 90 here, and then landing. So let's get it. Just like that. That's how it goes. It requires a lot of repetition, a lot of practice. Rome wasn't built in a night or a day or even a week. And sometimes you're gonna land a good one and then go back to that. You gotta keep it going. Okay, that was better. See, I waited with my front foot to let it spin, caught it, pivoted off the right foot, we got it. Yes, I love it. Okay, then one thing I think really helps me learn is I'll force myself to do 3 in a row. That was 1. It's not pretty, but I'll take it. Let's try another one. 2, again, not pretty, but I'll take it. Let's see, last one. If I don't land this one, it's another fresh 3 in a row. Oh, started from the beginning, 3 in a row. I'm too old for this. I'm like Mike Tyson out there, I'm losing it. All right, let's go, Tyson. 1, let's run it back. 2, okay, 1 more, we can call this a victory lap. No way, Derek, get out. It's another thing, I get too confident on the trick, I gotta really stay focused. That's why skateboarding is good for your mental health. You have to stay really focused exactly on what you're doing right then and right there. Doesn't matter what happened a week ago, a month ago, a year ago, you are right here. Locked in. Woo-wee! I knew that was gonna happen. It's all mental. I thought to myself, I should do 3 going the same direction, and I should. Okay, there we go, 3 in a row. Little games like this for yourself as you're learning, it's gonna help you learn a lot because you're battling with yourself, you're battling a mental barrier, physical, you're learning a new movement, you're learning a new motion, you're getting over the fear of it. There's a lot going on. Okay, so to recap, you're gonna pop this board, turn your upper body and your shoulders. You're gonna flick in the direction you're going. That board's gonna spin. You're gonna catch it with your back foot, usually at about a 90-degree angle. Continue that forward. If you need to put the board down, have all your weight on the front foot, land and pivot. Your weight's gonna remain on your front foot, and you're gonna roll away switch. That's how you do the backside flip. Hope you guys learned something from this video. Hope you guys are having an absolute blast out there learning how to ride a skateboard. I'm here to help you. You got this. We got this together. keep on pushing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.